The direction cosines L comma M comma N of two lines satisfying 3L plus M plus 5N is equal to 0 and 6MN minus 2NL plus 5LM is equal to 0. If theta is the angle between those lines, then mod of cos theta is equal to. This is DSM set 2020, 10th September shift 1 question. Here is given relations are 3L plus M plus 5N is equal to 0. From this equation, M is equal to minus 3L minus 5N. The second relation is 6Mn minus 2NL plus 5LM is equal to 0. So that is 6N into M value minus 3L minus 5N minus 2NL plus 5L into minus 3L minus 5N is equal to 0. So 6N into minus 3L, that is minus 18NL minus 30N square minus 2NL minus 15L square plus 25LN is equal to 0. From this equation, minus 30N square, so minus 18 minus 2 minus 20 minus 45LN minus 15 L square is equal to 0. So 15 common, minus 15 take common. 2n square plus 3ln plus L square is equal to 0. This is L square plus 3ln plus 2n square is equal to 0. This is L plus n into L plus 2n is equal to 0. So from this equations, L is equal to minus n and L is equal to minus 2n. So take case 1, that is L is equal to minus n. Substituting in this m value, that is m is equal to L value minus n, that is 3n minus 5n minus 2 is L value, L is to m is to n is equal to L value minus n, m value minus 2n into n. So n cancel, minus 1 is to minus 2 is to, and case 2, L is equal to minus 2n. Substituting in the value m, minus 3 into minus 2, 6n minus 5n, that is equal to n. Therefore, L is to m is to n is equal to L value minus 2n, m value n to n. So n cancelled, that is minus 2 is to 1 is to 1. We know that cos theta is equal to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 by under root of 1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into under root of a2 square plus b2 square plus b2 square. Therefore, cos theta is equal to a1 a2 minus 1 into minus 2 b1 b2 minus 2 into 1 c1 c2 1 by of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square, that is 1 plus 4 plus 1 into under root of 4 plus 1 plus 1 equal to 1 by 6. So cos theta is equal to 1 by 6. Modulus of cos theta is equal to 1 by 6. A tetrahedron as vertex 0, 0, 0, 0, capital A 1, 2, 1, capital B 2, 1, 3, capital C minus 1, 1, 2. Theta is the angle between the faces OAB and ABC. Then cos theta is equal to. This is TSM set 2020, 10th September shift 1 question. Here is faces OAB. OAB face equation. OAB equation is determinant of x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, and x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, that is x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 is equal to 0. Substituting the values OAB points, x minus x1, that is x, y, z, x2 minus x1 1 2 1 and x3 minus x1, that is 2 1 3 equal to 0. So calculate this value. 5x minus y. 5x minus y minus z equation of the plane face OAB. And the ABC equation. ABC equation, that is determinant of ABC, that is x minus 1, y minus 2, z minus 1, that is 2 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 2, minus 1, 3 minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, 1 minus 2, minus 1, 2 minus 1 is equal to 0. Find out this value. Any ABC plane equation is x minus 5y minus 3z plus 12 is equal to 0. This is the second phase equation. So now angle between these two phases, that is cos theta, is equal to modulus of a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 by under root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into under root of a2 square plus b2 square c2 square equal to a1 a2. 5 into 1 5 plus 5 plus 3 of e5 plus 1 under root 13 by root 35 into root 35, that is 35. Therefore cos theta is equal to 13 by 35. This is the angle between the faces OAB and ABC. If the line passing through the points a comma 2 comma minus 4 and 5 comma 3 comma b crosses zx plane at the point minus a plus 2b comma 0 comma a plus b, then 14a plus 7b is. This is TSM set 2020, 10th September, shift to 2 question. The equation of the line passing through 2 points is, that is x minus x1 by x2 minus x1 equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. Here x minus x1, that is a by y minus a, and y minus y1, that is y minus 2 by 3 minus 2, that is equal to z plus 4 by b plus 4. Here this line crosses zx plane, therefore equation of zx plane is y is equal to 0. Substituting y is equal to 0 in this equation, that is x minus a by 5 minus a is equal to 0 minus 2 by 1, that is minus 2 is equal to z plus 4 by b plus 4. From this, equating these two, x minus a is equal to minus 10 plus 2. Therefore x is equal to 3a minus 10. Here x value is given, that is minus a plus 2b is equal to 3a minus, that is 4a minus 2b minus 10 is equal. Take 2 common, that is 2a minus b is equal to 5. This is the first equation. And equating these two is minus 2 is equal to z plus 4 by b plus, that is minus 2b minus 8 is equal to z value is given, that is a plus b plus 4, that is a plus 3b plus 12 is equal. This is the second equation. Solving these two equations, get, that is 2a minus b is minus 5 is equal to 0. Here is multiplying by 2, that is 2a plus 6b plus 24 is equal to 0. Subtracting these, minus minus minus. So minus 7b minus 29 is equal to 0. From this b is equal to minus 29 by 7. B value is minus 29 by 7. And substituting this value in this first, that is 2a is equal to b plus 5. B is minus 29 by 7 plus 5, that is minus 29, 35, that is equal to 36 by 7. So 2a is equal to 6 by 7. From this a is equal to 3 by 7. Find the value of 14a plus 7b is equal to 14a, that is 3 by 7 plus 7 into b minus 29 by 7. Here 7 2 times cancel, 7 7 cancel. It is equal to 6 minus 29, that is equal to minus 23. So the value of 14a plus 7b is equal to minus 23. The direction ratios a comma b comma c of a line L satisfies the relations AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 0, comma 6AB plus 9BC plus 8AC is equal to 0. Then the direction cosines of the line L is, this is TSM set 2020, 1st September shift 1 question. Here is given relations are AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 0. And second relation is 6AB plus 9BC plus 8AC is equal to 0. Take 6 common in this equation, that is AB plus BC plus AC, plus here is 9BC, 6 are common, that is 3BC, plus here is 8AC, 6 are common, that is 2AC is equal to 0. So this value is 0. From this equation 3BC plus 2AC is equal to 0. Again C common, 3B plus 2A is equal. This is the one relation. And first equation, this is the first equation and this is the second equation. First equation multiplying by 8, that is 8AB plus 8BC plus 8AC is equal to 0. Second equation 6AB plus 9BC plus 8AC is equal to 0. So subtracting these two equations, this is cancelled, that is 2AB plus 2AB minus BC is equal to 0. From this B common, that is 2A minus C is equal to 0. From this 2A is equal to equation 2A is equal to minus 3B. It is, so 2A is equal to minus 3B is equal to C. Dividing by 6, that is 2A by 6 minus 3B by 6, that is equal to C by 6, that is A by 3, B by minus 2, C by 6. Now we find A square plus B square plus square under root of is 9 plus 4 plus 36, that is 49 is equal to 7. Therefore direction ratios L comma M comma N is equal to by 7 plus 2 by 7 comma 6 by 7. So also equal to plus 3 by 7. The equation of the plane passing through the line of intersection of the planes 2x plus 6y plus 4z minus 7 is equal to 0. X minus y minus 2z minus 2 is equal to 0. And perpendicular to the plane plus y plus 2z minus 5 is equal to 0 is. This is TSM set 2020, 11th September shift 1 question. The line of intersection of the planes is written as pi 1 plus lambda pi 2 is equal to 0. First plane equation is 2x plus 6y plus 4z minus 7 plus lambda into x minus y minus 2z minus 2 is equal to 0. That is, take x common, that is 2 plus lambda plus y common, 6 minus lambda plus z common, 4 minus 2 lambda minus 7 minus 2 lambda is equal to 0. This is the plane. This plane is perpendicular to x plus y plus 2z minus 5 is equal. This is the second equation. Here 1 and 2 are perpendicular. That means a1 a2 plus b1 b2 1 c2 is equal to 0. a1 a2 coefficients of x, that is 2 plus lambda plus b1 b2 coefficients of y minus lambda c1 c2 coefficients of z 2 into 4 minus 2 lambda 8 minus 4 lambda equal to 0. That is 8 plus 6 14 plus 2 16 Here lambda lambda cancelled, minus 4 lambda is equal to 0. From this 4 lambda is equal to 16, therefore lambda is equal to 4. Substituting lambda is equal to 4 in the first equation, that is x into 2 plus 4, so y into 6 minus 4, z into 4 minus 2 lambda, that is 8, minus 7 minus 2 into lambda, that is minus 8 is equal to 0. Say 6x plus 2y minus 4z minus 15 is equal to. This is the required equation of the. If x minus 4 by 1 is equal to y minus 2 by 1 is equal to z minus 7 by 2 lies in the plane ax plus by plus z is equal to, then a plus b is equal to dash. ESMSET 2020 7th September shift 2 question. Here is given line is, that is x minus 4 by 1, that is y minus 2 by 1 is equal to minus 7 by 2. This plane passing through the point, that is x1 y1 z1 is equal to 4 comma 2 comma 7, and having direction ratios a1 b1 c1 is equal to 1 comma 1 comma, and the plane is given, that is ax plus by plus bz is equal to ax plus by plus z is equal to 7. Your direction ratios a2 b2 c2 is equal to a comma b comma. Now the direction ratios of the line and the direction ratios of the plane will be perpendicular, so their product is must be 0. That means a1 a2 b1 b2 plus c1 c2 is equal to 0. Is 1 into a into b plus 2 into 1 is equal to 0. A plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore a plus b is equal to minus 2. If a plane pi passes through the point minus 1 comma 6 comma 2 and is perpendicular to the planes x plus 2y plus 2z minus 5 is equal to 0, and 3x plus 3y plus 2z minus 8 is equal to 0, then the perpendicular distance from the point 1 comma minus 1 comma 1 to the plane pi is TSMSET 2020 14th September shift 1 question. So the equation of the plane passing through the point minus 1 comma 6 comma 2 and perpendicular to the given planes x plus 2y plus 2z minus 5 is equal to 0, and 3x plus 3y plus 2z minus 8 is equal to 0 is, that is equal to x plus 1 y minus 6 z minus 2. 1 2 2 3 3 2 is equal to 0, that is equal to x plus 1 into 4 minus 6 minus half y minus 6 into 2 minus 6 yes z minus 2 into 3 minus 6 equal to, that is 4 minus 6 minus 2 minus 2x minus 2 is minus 4, that is plus 4y minus 24 minus 3z plus 6 is equal to 0. This is minus 2x plus 4y minus 3z minus 2 minus 24, that is minus 26 plus 6, that is minus 20 is equal to 0. Is 2x minus 4y plus 3z plus 20 is equal to 0. Required equation of the plane. Now we find the distance from 1 comma minus 1 comma 1, 2x minus 4y plus 3z plus 20 is equal to 0 is, distance is equal to modulus of 2 into 1 minus 4 into minus 1 plus 3 into 1 plus 20 by under root of 2 square 4 whole square 15 plus 3 square 9, that is equal to modulus of 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 20 root 39 equal to 20 plus 3 plus 1 plus 29, 39 by 29. This root 29 is cancelled. Therefore perpendicular distance is equal to root 29. A line with the direction cosines proportional to 2 comma 1 comma 2 meets the line L1 passing through 0 comma minus 1 comma 0 with direction ratios 1 comma 1 comma 1 at x comma y comma z, and another line L2 at 1 comma 1 comma 1. Then x plus y plus z is equal to TSM set 2020 14th September shift 1 question. Equation of a line. Equation line L1 passing through 0 comma minus 1 0 and PRs 1 comma 1, that is x minus 0 by 1 is equal to plus 1 by 1. This is equal to taken as lambda comma y comma z is lambda comma lambda minus. The line intersect capital A x comma y comma z and B 1 comma is. So direction ratio of these is lambda minus 1 comma lambda minus 2 comma. This value is given, that is equal to 2 comma this lambda minus 1. Therefore x is equal to comma y z e comma 3 minus 1 comma 3 is 3 comma 2 comma. Therefore x plus y plus 2 plus 3, value of x. A plane meets the coordinate axis at capital A, capital B, capital C such that the centroid of triangle ABC is 2 comma. Equation of the plane is TSM set 2020 14th September. Here is plane meets the coordinate axis at ABC. That means capital A is taken as A 0 0 and capital B is 0 comma B comma 0. Capital C is 0 comma 0 C. So centroid of ABC is given, that is B is equal to 2 comma 3 comma 5. Centroid of ABC A by 3, B by 3, C by 3 is equal to 2 comma 3 comma 5. So from this A is equal to 6 and B is equal to 9, C is equal to 15. Therefore required equation of the plane is x by A plus y by B plus z by C is equal to 1. That is x by 6 plus y by 9 plus z by C 15 is equal to 1. So here the m is 15. That is equal to, so 15x plus 10y plus 6z equal to 90. If L comma M comma N are the direction cosines of a line which makes an angles alpha, beta, gamma with the coordinate axis x, y, z respectively, then Lm plus Mn plus Nl takes the maximum value when dash. This is TSM set 2020 9th September shift 1 question. We know that according to the Cauchy's inequality, Lm plus Mn plus Nl whole square, which is less than or equal to L square plus M square plus N square whole square. So this value is 1 square is 1. This Lm plus Mn plus Nl whole square, which is less than or equal to 1. So from this minus 1 less than or equal to Lm plus Mn plus Nl, which is less than or equal to 1. Therefore the maximum value of Lm plus Mn plus NL is equal to 1, and it is possible only when L is equal to M is equal to N. So here L is equal to cos alpha, M is equal to cos beta, and N is equal to cos gamma. That is, from these three equations, alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma. It is possible only when alpha is equal to beta is equal to gamma. The combined equation for a pair of planes is S is equal to 2x square minus 6y square minus 12z square plus 18yz plus 2zx plus xy is equal to 0. One of the plane is x plus 2y minus 2z is equal to 5. Then the acute angle between the planes is. This is TSMCET 2020, 9th September Shift 1 question. Here is given pair of planes, that is pair of planes equation is x square minus y square minus 12z square plus 18yz plus 2zx plus xy is equal to 0. Take two planes, that is first plane is a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 is equal to 0. Second plane is a2x plus b2y plus c2z plus d2 is equal to 0. So multiplying these two equations and comparing this given pair of plane is, that is coefficient of x square is a1 a2 is equal to 2, and the coefficient of y square b1 b2 is equal to minus 6, and the coefficient of z square c1 c2 is equal to minus 12. Here given one plane is given, that is first plane is x plus 2y minus 2z is equal to 5. Here a1 is equal to 1, b1 is equal to 2, and c1 is equal to minus 2. Substituting a1 in this equation, a1 a2, that is 1 into a2 is equal to 2, a2 is equal to 2, and b2 is equal to 2. So 2b2 is equal to minus 6, b2 is equal to minus 3, b2 is equal to minus 3. The c1 is minus 2, minus 2, c2 is equal to minus 12, c2 is equal to 6, and c2 is equal to 6. We know that angle between the plane cos theta is equal to modulus of a1 a2 plus b1 b2 plus c1 c2 by under root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square is a1 a2, 1 into 2 2, b1 b2, 2 into minus 3 minus 6 plus c1 c2, that is minus 12 by under root of a1 square 1 square 1 plus 2 square 4 into under root of 4 plus 9 plus 36, that is equal to minus 18 plus 2, 16 by 3 into under root of 4 plus 9 13, this is root 49, that is equal to 16 by 3 into 7, that is equal to 16 by 21. Therefore theta is equal to cos inverse of 16 by 21. This is the angle between the pair of planes. The angle between the planes whose direction ratio satisfies the equation L plus M plus N is equal to 0 and L square is equal to M square plus N square is. This is TSMCET 2020, 9th September Shift 2 question. Here is given relations are L plus M plus N is equal to 0. From this equation L is equal to minus M minus N. Substituting this equation given relation, that is L square is equal to M square plus N square. L square is minus M minus N whole square is equal to M square plus N square, that is M square plus N square plus 2Mn is equal to M square plus N square. Both sides M square cancel and N square cancel. From this equation Mn is equal to 0. That means M is equal to 0, N is equal to 0. Case 1. Take M is equal to 0 means L is equal to minus N. So that is L by 1 is equal to M by 0 is equal to N by minus 1. And case 2. that is n is equal to 0. That means L is equal to minus m. So L by 1 is equal to m by minus 1 is equal to n. We know that cos theta is equal to a1 a2 plus e1 b2 e1 c2 by under root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square is a1 a2 1 into 1 1 plus b1 b2 0 into minus 1 that is c1 c2 that is 0 by under root of 1 square plus 0 square plus minus 1 whole square into under root of 1 square plus minus 1 whole square plus 0 square is equal to 1 by root 2 into root 2 that is equal to 1 by 2. So cos theta is equal to 1 by 2. So theta is equal to pi by 3. So angle between the planes is 60 degrees. A plane pi is passing through the points capital A 002, capital B 101 and capital C 311. The plane pi makes angles alpha and beta with xy and xz coordinate planes respectively. Then the value of sine square alpha plus sine square beta is equal to. This is TSM set 2020, 9th September, shift to 2 question. So equation of the plane passing through 3 points is, that is x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1 and 2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 equal to 0. That is x minus x1. This is the first point is given x1 y1 z1 0 0 2, x2 y2 z2 is 1 comma 0 comma 1 and x3 y3 z3 is 3 comma 1 comma 1. Substituting in this plane equation, that is x minus 0 is x, y minus 0 y, z minus 2 and x2 minus x1 1 minus 0 1 0 minus 0 0 1 minus 2 minus 1 and x3 minus x1 3 minus 0 3 1 minus 0 1 1 minus 2 minus 1 is equal to 0. That is equal to x into 0 plus 1 minus y into minus 1 plus 3 plus z minus 2 into 1 minus equal to 0. That is x into 1x plus minus 2y plus z minus equal to 0. This is the equation of the plane. Plane makes angles alpha and beta with xy and xz coordinate planes. Therefore, equation of xy plane is z is equal to 0. This is the first equation and this is the second equation. Angle between these two planes, cos theta is equal to a1 a2 plus b1 b2 e1 c2 by under root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square, that is equal to a1 a2. Here x coefficient is 1, here no x coefficient, that is 0 plus 0 plus 1 by under root of 1 plus 4 plus 1 into root over 1, that is equal to by, and the equation of xz plane is y is equal to 0. So angle between, this is the third equation, angle between 1 and 3, that is cos theta is equal to 1 and 3, that is 1 in 0 minus 2 plus 0 by under root of 1 plus 4 plus 1 into root 1 modulus, that is equal by root 6. This is given, this angle is given alpha and this angle is given beta. So cos alpha is equal to 1 by root 6 and cos beta is equal to 2 by root 6. Now we find the value of sine square alpha plus sine square beta. That is, sine square alpha is 1 minus cos square alpha. Sine square beta 1 minus cos square beta. 1 minus cos square alpha, that is 1 by 6 plus 1 minus cos square beta 4 by 6 is equal to 2 minus 5 by 6, that is equal to 12 minus 5 by 6, that is equal to 7 by 6. Therefore, angle between the value of sine square alpha plus sine square beta is equal to 7 by 6.